Pick the correct word for each sentence. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new here. And let's see who's the real homophone master. Let's go! Question number 1. Blank going to the store later. Please put the bag over blank. Blank. Car is parked outside. It's important to blank your goals. Turn blank at the next signal. The priest performed the sacred blank. She wore a matching blank to the party. I can't believe it's blank o'clock already. I want to go blank. She has blank many books. The weather affects my blank. This decision will blank everyone. The new policy had a big blank. I need blank advice on this. Blank going to love this movie. She lost blank keys yesterday. G. Blank raining outside. Please blank the door behind you. I need to buy new blank. There's a small blank crawling on the plant. The soldiers stood in a blank line. I bought some blank from the shop. I ate a blank of cake. He gave her a nice blank on her outfit. The colors blank each other nicely. I need to blank my schedule. They got married at the blank. The blank of the story surprised me. Team blank was low after the loss. She has a lot of blank for hard work. The doctor saw 10 blank today. I love having blank for dinner tonight. The Sahara blank is extremely hot. The blank offered a great deal. She wore a beautiful blank necklace. I'm not sure blank he will come. The blank is sunny today. Please blank this form and sign it. He is the blank of this company. Honesty is a core blank of mine. I need to blank to the new city plan. Everyone came, blank him. The blank of the building collapsed. Please blank the envelope properly. She felt a strong sense of blank. The picture frame had a blank edge. The soldier showed great blank in battle. I need some blank for the recipe. The garden is full of colorful blank. She gave a blank answer to the question.